Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to order the American Express Gold Card online in 2023. This card is a great option for those who want to earn rewards on their everyday purchases. So make sure to follow the steps of this tutorial and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use Brave browser, but of course in your case you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to the URL section. Of course, as I said, for me it's going to be Brave. For you, it could be like Google Chrome, Opera, Brave like me, Firefox, Microsoft Edge if you're a Mac user, Safari. So whatever browser you have, just open it, go to the URL section and simply type American express.com and hit the enter button. That will take you to the home screen or main screen of American Express website. Of course, if you have an account, make sure to go to the top right corner and click on login. And here you'll have to type your user ID, password, then choose card banking, membership reward, merchants account, or American Express at work, and check this option remember me so you don't have to log in into your account each time you come here. Of course, if you forgot your password or user ID, you can click here to get them back by following a simple instructions. If you don't have an account, you can click at create new online account, and of course you can confirm card received here, and you can visit their security center from here. For us, as an example, let's say we don't have an account, we can simply click at create a new account, and that will take us here into this option. So here, I'll have to enter your details to set your new card. So simply enter 15 digits card number, then 4 digits card ID. As you can see, the 15 digits card number, those are the numbers on the front of the card, and the 4 digits card number is going to be the security one. So if you don't have it, you can simply click here to check as an example. So you can simply here fill or billing address 5 digits zip code, enter it here, then enter the 15 digits card number, then click on confirm. Click on confirm, then set up your account by entering some personal informations, then submit your everything and you will have your account. So for me, I'm just going back to the home screen or main screen of the website. And of course, if you want to use this website for a personal use, make sure to choose this option. If you want to use it for a personal use or business use, sorry, make sure to choose this option. So here, let's just get back to the main idea, which is trying to get the American Express Gold card online. So of course, if you want to do that, simply we can go to this top options and click on cards, then simply click on view all credit cards. Here we will be prompted to another page, and here we will find a lot of cards that we can apply for. We said we would like to get the gold card on American Express. Of course, here we can see a lot of other details about it by clicking on view details. Here you will see all the details about this card. Of course, you can choose your design even from the gold to even rose gold. So as you can see, you can earn to 75,000 membership reward points after you spend $4,000 on purchases on your own new card in your first 6 months of card membership. This offer might not be available if you leave this web page and return later, so make sure to catch this offer as soon as you can. APR for pay over time feature, and of course you will have kind of 21% to 29% variable APR on eligible charges. How you earn? You will earn 4% points at restaurants worldwide, plus takeout and delivery in the US, for 4 times on groceries at US supermarkets, on up to 25 grants in purchases per year, and 3 times on flights booked directly with airlines or on amextravel.com. Of course, you have here 1 time on other eligible purchases. I don't know, even like car purchases or something like that. Of course, the feature benefits is going to be $120 dining credit. Satisfy your craven sweet or savory with the $120 dining credits. Earn up to $10 in statement credits monthly when you pay with American Express Gold Card at Grubhub, The Cheesecake Factory, Gold Belly, Wine.com, Milk Bar, and select shake location enrollments required. And of course, as you can see here, it's going to be the same for Uber Cash or Dine or Ride. So add to your gold card to your Uber account, and you will automatically get $10 in Uber Cash each month for a total of up to $120 per year. You can use your monthly Uber Cash on Uber Eats order or Uber rides in the US. And of course, payment choices, more ways to pay. You are in control with more ways to pay. You can choose to pay your bill in full, use the pay overtime feature to carry a balance with interest, use plan net to select large purchases and split them into monthly payments with a fixed fee. Of course, there is a limit on the total amount that you can carry as a balance or move into a plane. Any purchase beyond your limit needs to be paid in full when your bill is due. Of course, all the benefits is going to be dining, travel, shopping, and entertainment, and additional services. No sweeping, no contacts, no worries. So contactless cards allow you to make quick, secure payments without touching the screen. Simply look for the contactless indicator on your card and contactless symbol at participating merchants. Just tap and go. And of course, if you want to apply for it, you'll have to click on apply now and you will be able to apply for it. And here you'll have to provide some information about yourself. So if you decide that the American Express Gold Card is the right card for you, click on Apply Now button and you will then redirect it to an online application form. Then you'll have the application form will ask you for personal information such as your name, address, and income. So make sure to fill out the form accurately and completely. So here's an example. We'll have to fill our first name, middle initiates, last name, and the name on card, first name and last name, date of birth, email address, mobile phone number, home street address, apartment, zip code, city, state. And of course, I don't have a credit card history in the US. So if you don't have it, maybe check this option. And if you have it, you'll have to enter it down here. Of course, you'll have to enter the total annual income, non-taxable annual income, and the income source. So then, if I approve and accept the card, send me a one-time text message to the mobile number above to download the American Express apps, which is optional. iOS and Android only. See App Store listing for operating system. So make sure to check this if you want. Then you can continue to the terms. So before you can submit your application, of course, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions of the American Express Gold Card. Read through them carefully to make sure you understand all the details. Once you filled out the application form and agreed to the terms and condition, click on submit to send your application. Then after you've submitted your application, you will need to wait for approval from American Express. This process can take a few days, but you can check the status of your application online. If you are approved for the American Express Gold Card, you will receive your card in the mail. Make sure to activate your card by following the instructions provided. As I showed you in the beginning of this video, you can just once you click on login, you'll find an option to click that you received your card. So that's it. By following these simple steps, you can order your American Express Gold Card in 2023. Remember to use your card responsibly and enjoy the rewards it offers. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.